today we will start our new lesson, lesson number 11. The name of lesson, landforms. As we know, there are different types of landforms. Okay, we will study how landforms occur. In that we will study main types of landforms, then mountain, classifications of mountain. In that, how many types of mountains are there? Fold mountain, block mountain, volcanic mountain and residual mountain. Okay, I hope you have taken out your textbook. I am going to read the lesson. Moments take place in the crust of earth over the time. Crust means what? Hard layer of the earth. As we know, crust का मीन क्या होता है? जो लेयर का अर्थ का जो हार्ड लेयर होता है और लेयर का जो हार्ड लेयर होता है, that we call crust of the earth. So movement take place in the crust of the earth over the times. Movements makes and changes the landforms. The movements जो होते हैं हमारे अर्थ पे, they change and make the landforms. We find such types of experiences through the incidents like shocks of the earthquakes, volcano or tsunami. So now these types of experience, when we observe through the incidents like shocks of earthquake, when the incidents happens, shocks of earthquake, then volcano or tsunami, this movement somewhere create mountains, plateaus and fold valleys. And these movements, what they do? They create mountains, plateaus और fold valleys. Means जब ये movements हमारे यहाँ पे होते हैं, जब earthquake होता है, volcano होता है या फिर tsunami होती है, तब जो मूवमेंट्स होते हैं उससे क्या क्रिएट होता है? कहीं ना कहीं प्लेस पे क्या क्रिएट होता है? कई जगह पे माउंटेन्स क्रिएट होते हैं, कई जगह पे प्लेट्यूज एंड समवेयर फोल्ड वैलीज आल्सो क्रिएट. In addition to this, erosions and depositions occur due to the natural forces like river, glaciers, wind, sea waves are which create alluvial plains, valleys and gorges. Alluvial plain means क्या होता है? Fertile. Okay, so जब भी ये earthquake होता है, volcano होता है, tsunami होती है, तो जो movements होते हैं उससे क्या बन जाते हैं? कई जगह पे mountains create होते हैं, plateaus and somewhere fold valleys. Okay, in addition to this erosions, इसकी वजह ये erosions होता है तो कई प्लेस पे क्या हो जाता है कि जब कई जगह पे erosion हो जाता है and कई जगह पे depositions occurs. Somewhere erosions occur and somewhere depositions occurs due to this natural forces, and also this natural forces like rivers, glaciers, winds, sea waves, that are which create alluvial plains, valleys and gorges. Now when a particular part of land surface takes certain height, slopes and shape is called a landform. Here it is definition of landform कि लैंडफॉर्म का मीनिंग क्या होता है? जब भी क्रिएट होते हैं, मोमेंट्स चेंज होते हैं, तो अ पर्टिकुलर पार्ट ऑफ लैंड सरफेस टेक सर्टेन हाइट, तो जो पर्टिकुलर पार्ट होगा लैंड का, वहां पे कुछ हाइट्स क्रिएट होती है, कहीं पे स्लोप क्रिएट होता है एंड शेप्स, एंड इट इज कॉल्ड अ लैंडफॉर्म. इन डेफिनेशन इट कैन बी आस्क्ड व्हाट इज लैंडफॉर्म, सो यू टू से दैट, you to write that when a particular part of land surface that takes certain height, slopes and shapes is called a landform. Now here we will study main types of landforms. How many types of landforms are there? So landforms are recognized by various names like mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. according to the height of the region. Now in 11.1 you will see the images given to you. 11.1 आप देख रहे होंगे, उसमें दिखा है आपको मेन टाइप्स ऑफ लैंडफॉर्म आपको दिखा है. तो देखो पिक्चर में जब देखोगे बेटा तो आपको दिखाई देगा कि कहीं पे देखो माउंटेन्स, फिर माइंस है, ऐसे प्लेट्यूज, फिर वहां से प्लेन्स, आइलैंड जो पता है हमें कि कवर होता है 4 साइड्स ऑफ वाटर. हमें पता है कि आइलैंड कैसे होता है, तो आइलैंड इज कवर्ड विद द 4 साइड्स ऑफ वाटर एंड देन सी लेवल. जो हमें पिक्चर में दिखाए हैं वो क्या है? हमारे मेन टाइप्स ऑफ landforms. You see the pictures again, okay? Then we will study about mountain. The area having more than 900 meter height above the sea level. Up sea level and with a gentle or abrupt slope is called mountain. जो यहाँ पे लेवल होता है, ग्राउंड का लेवल होता है, अब यहाँ से लेके जो 900 मीटर हाइट, here so 900 मीटर हाइट होता है जो ग्राउंड से, this is called a mountain. Okay, so what is the mountain? Area having more than 900 meters heights above the sea level. यहाँ से sea levels से लेके ग्राउंड एरिया से लेके हम लोग ऊपर तक 900 मीटर जो उसकी हाइट होगी, तो उसे हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? We call it mountain. With a gentle or abrupt slope. यहाँ पे आपको स्लोप दिखाई देगा, ऐसे स्लोप होते हैं, like this. Gentle abrupt slopes होंगे, ऐसे ही ऐसे slopes होंगे. So you will see that is mountain. Okay. Then mountains are formed in the crust of earth due to actions, reactions, interactions of natural and physical forces like earthquake and volcanoes. How are mountain forms? See, mountain forms, जो mountains होते हैं, कभी सोचा आपने कि mountains होते हैं, mountains form कैसे होते हैं? So mountains are formed in the crust of the earth due to actions होते हैं, reactions and interactions. Actions, reactions and interactions of natural and physical forces. Physical forces जैसे कि earthquakes होता है and volcanoes. Impact of more than one means impact of more than one multiple actions and forces are seen in the originations and development of the mountain. So here impact of more than one or multiple actions you can say and the forces are seen. Forces दिखती है हमें organizations and development of the mountain. That is why in the context of various aspects mountains are different from each other. So the mountains are always different from each other. Now here we will study classification of mountain. So mountains, as we are told that mountains are divided into the 4 divisions. And which are the divisions? So the divisions which are there? They are fold mountain, block mountain, volcanic mountain and residual mountain. So first we will study about fold mountain. Fold mountain कैसे होगा? So most of collectively deposited sediments at the bottom of sea or lakes create folds due to the pressure which comes from both the sides. Now here, and its upper part turn as a peak and lower part turn as a valley from form can be seen. Now see over here how its fold mountain began. So most of collectively deposit sediments. The collectively deposit sediments at the bottom of sea, जो नीचे होते sea में, at the bottom of sea or lakes that create folds. They will create folds due to pressures which comes from both the sides. दोनों की तरफ से pressure आएगा and its upper parts turn as peak. जो उसका upper part होता है वो peak हो जाएगा and the lower parts turn as valley form can be seen. Now in 11.2 you will see figure that दोनों की तरफ से pressure आएगा तो वो mountain बन जाएगा ऐसे ही like this. It will be turned. The both side pressure will come. When we turn like this mountain, and upper part we will call as peak. जो ऊपर सबसे main point होता है उसको कहेंगे हम लोग that we call peak and between them this we will call valley. इसको हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? Valley. VALLEY valley. Okay. So its upper part turn as a peak. जिसका upper part होगा वो क्या बन जाएगा? Peak. And the lower part will turn as a valley. Now example of that we will study कि fold mountain example कौन से होते हैं? Himalaya in Asia, then Alps in Europe, Rocky in North America, and Andes in South America are the main fold mountains of the world. These are the 4 main mountains of the world. Examples of fold mountain: Himalayas in Asia, Alps in Europe, Rocky in North America, and Andes in South America. You have to remember this. Okay. Now here we will study next topic, block mountain. So here, due to the geological forces, pulling forces is applied pulling force is applied on the surface of the earth, then cracks are formed. As a result, surrounding area is submerged and central part remains stable, forming blocks mountain. Then jaws are formed in the lower area. Now here, like this, when the due to geological forces, pulling force is applied on the surface of the earth. The force applied होते हैं यहाँ पे surface of the earth. Then what happened? This force was applied on the earth. Then it is a force applied on due to geological force and force applied on the earth, it will the submerge. Due to the geological force, pulling force is applied on the surface of the earth. Then cracks are formed. Then what happened over here? यहाँ पे cracks हो जाएंगे. एरिया पे जो लाइन है उस पे यहाँ पे crack क्या हो जाएगा? Cracks. Then there will be cracks are formed. As a result, surrounding area is submerged. तो surrounding area में क्या होगा? It will be submerged and central part will stable. And the central part will remain stable over here and forming blocks mountain. So again I am telling you, due to geological forces, pulling force is applied on the surface. Geological force की वजह से pulling force will apply on the surface of the earth. Then the cracks are formed. What happened? Cracks are formed, and as a result, surrounding area is submerged, and central part will remain stable, forming block mountains. So यहाँ पे block mountains 11.3 you will see in figure that here you will found block mountain. This we call as a block mountain. उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? यहाँ पे जो दिखा है पे pictures में figure में, here this is we call block mountain. Okay, then geologies are formed and the lower area. Now example of that, example of block mountain, Horst mountain of Germany is the best example of it. Therefore, such mountains are also called Horst mountain. Which are they? Nilgiri, then Satpura. Examples. Example of block mountain: Nilgiri, Satpura, Vindhyachal mountain of India are the best example of block mountain. I hope these two you are clear to you. Now we will study about third, volcanic mountain. It's very easy. Volcanic mountain कैसे होगा? जैसे volcano eruptions होता है at that time. So at the time of volcanic eruption, the material which is thrown out is deposited in the shape of cone, and it is called volcanic mountain. जब volcanic eruption होता है, this volcano and comes out, जब volcano बाहर आता है, आप देखो पिक्चर नंबर 11.4 फिगर में आप देख रहे होंगे, पिक्चर्स दिख रहा है हमको, तो उसमें देखो volcanic mountains कैसे eruptions होके बाहर आ रहे हैं. देखो, I will show you again the page like this. मैग्मा जब लावा से बाहर आते हैं, so when lavas come out, when the volcanic eruption is there, and like this, when it is in cone shape, then mountain is created. Volcanic mountain, we call that volcanic mountain. At the time of volcanic eruptions, the material which is thrown out, जो material है वो बाहर आएंगे. So which is thrown out, this ash वो सब बाहर आएंगे, is deposited in the shape of cone. Then it will deposit in the shape of cone. It is called volcanic mountain. An example of volcanic mountain: Fujiyama of Japan, Vesuvius of Italy, Cotopaxi of Ecuador, and Barren of India. Barren of India, Andaman. Andaman Nicobar came in Andaman. Barren of India. Then Pavagadh and Girnar are the example of volcanic mountain. जो Pavagadh है, Girnar है, they are the example of volcanic mountain. Again I am going to explain volcanic mountain क्या होगा. At the time of the volcanic eruptions, the material which is thrown out is deposited in the shape of cone, and it is called volcanic mountain. Fujiyama of Japan. Examples: Fujiyama of Japan, Vesuvius of Italy, Cotopaxi of Ecuador, and Barren of India. Then Pavagadh and Girnar, they are example of volcanic eruptions. Now last year we will study about residual mountain. How residual mountain occur? कैसे residual mountain बनता है? So residual means क्या होता है? Remains. जो चीज बचती है उसको. तो residual means remain remain. So residual mountains are formed from residue which withstands against the natural forces of erosion. Erosions. Soft rocks are eroded. Eroded means पानी के साथ बह जाना. So soft rocks होते हैं जो पानी के साथ बह जाते हैं. तो soft rocks are eroded and swept away since thousands of years, and the salt formed from solid rocks sustained as a highland. It is only called a residual mountain. Now sustain means क्या होता है? Create होना. So then the residual mountains are formed from the residue which withstands against natural forces of erosions. जो बच्चे होते rocks होते हैं, soft rocks, they are eroded and swept away since thousands of years. जो soft rocks होते हैं वो बह जाते पानी में और thousands years के बाद they will form the soil. वो क्या बन जाएंगे? वो soil हो जाएंगे. Soft rocks they will turn into soil after thousands of years and formed from solid rocks sustained as a height. और जो solid rocks होते हैं, जो solid rocks जो बचे हुए थे, they will create as a highland. वो क्या create कर लेंगे? As a highland. वो भी जो solid rock होंगे वो ऐसे ऐसे थोड़े create कर देंगे, ऐसे highlands बन जाएंगे. So this it is called a residual mountain. उससे हमारे क्या बन जाते हैं? Residual mountains. Okay, the solid rocks that create as a highland, and it is only called a residual mountain. Now Aravalli, examples of this residual mountain: Aravalli, Nilgiri, Parasnath, Rajmahal, and Eastern Ghat are the best example of residual mountain. In the shows, the example of that is Aravalli, Nilgiri, Parasnath, Rajmahal, and Eastern Ghat. These are the example of residual mountain. Then we can also say the hard rocks will create mountain. Okay, जो hard rocks होते हैं वो क्या create करेंगे? Mountain. In short, we can say that the soft stones, जो soft stone होते हैं वो काफी साल के बाद पिघल के क्या बन जाएंगे? They will form a soil. And जो solid stone होते हैं they will create a mountain. So that we call a residual mountain. Okay, children. Example of these fold mountains are: in fold mountain example, Himalayas in Asia, Alps in Europe, Rocky in North America, Andes in South America. Then block mountain examples are Nilgiri, Satpura, Vindhyachal mountain. Okay, these are examples. In volcanic mountain examples, you can write down Fujiyama of Japan, Vesuvius, Cotopaxi. Okay, Pavagadh, Girnar. And residual mountain example, we have studied Aravalli, Nilgiri, Parasnath, Rajmahal, and Eastern Ghat. Okay, children, here we have finished this part 1. In part 2, we will study about importance of mountains and classification of plateaus, everything. Okay, you just read this lesson twice and thrice. Till then, thank you.